quick one. If x raised to the power 4 is equals to 4, we are asked to find the value of x. Very easy. Believe with me that this x raised to the power 4 equals to 4 can be rewritten as x raised to the power 4, crossing 4 over to this side of the equation, becoming negative 4, then equals to 0. Or what next? I can split this x raised to the power 4 to be x squared raised to the power 2. Of course, according to product power law in indices. So when a number is raised to a certain power and again raised to another power, all we have to do is just multiply their powers. So 2 times 2 is still 4. Then negative 2 raised to the power 2 equals 0. So at this point, we can apply difference of two squares in the sense that we're going to open two brackets, plus in one, minus in the other one equals 0. Of course, in the first bracket here, in this x squared raised to the power 2, we take one of the x squared, then the other x squared here, then 2 here, then one of the 2 here. So if the product of two numbers is equals to 0, this implies that x squared plus 2 is equals to 0, or x squared minus 2 is equals to 0. So at this point, what we have to do is easily equating x squared to or making x squared the subject of formula. In that case, we have that x squared here is equals negative 2, or x squared is equals to here positive 2. So to make x the subject here, that means we have to find the square root of both sides of the equation. So that means that x will now be square root. Of course, you have to put your plus and minus, negative 2, or x equals plus or minus square root of 2. So in return, of course, this is going to give us x is equals to plus or minus. This is an imaginary number. Square root of negative 2 is an imaginary number, so that should be written as square root of 2i, which is imaginary, or x equals plus or minus square root of 2, and this becomes our result.